Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're going to be taking a quick look at the Louisiana electrical license. Now I encourage you to watch this video all the way through. However, below we've got timestamps that'll take you to specific sections of the video so that you can find the information you're looking for as quickly as possible. Now in the state of Louisiana, anyone performing construction, installation, or repair of electrical infrastructure for buildings and other structures or conducts business in the installation, maintenance, and repair of electrical work conforming to applicable standards and codes is considered a contractor and would need to hold a license. And this is straight from the Louisiana State Board for Contractors. Now there are a few different license classifications. First and foremost, you've got the electrical license statewide, and then there are four separate sub-classifications: the electrical transmission lines, electrical work for structures, underground electrical conduit installation, and electrical controls. Now it's important to remember that if you go for the electrical license statewide, you can perform any one of these sub-classifications, but if you specialize in any of the below sub-classifications, you can simply go for that one instead of the electrical license statewide. Now the statewide license allows you to bid, contract, and perform any kind of electrical work without limit anywhere in the state of Louisiana. You need to pass an 100-question exam, open book, 75% to pass, and you'll get 4.5 hours to take the test. You'll need to know about project design and management, safety, electrical theory and principles, general code requirements, wiring and protection, wiring methods and materials, equipment for general use, special occupancies, special equipment and conditions, and communication systems. The electrical transmission lines allows you to perform construction, installation, maintenance, or repair of electrical transmission and distribution lines, poles, and towers, and electrical power substations and all internal components. For this one, you need to pass a 50-question exam that's going to be open book, 70% to pass, and you'll get 2.5 hours to take the test. You'll need to know about overhead lines, electrical knowledge, distribution transformers, grounding methods, electrical supply stations, conductors, underground lines, equipment and safety, surface drops and laterals, and poles and structures. For the electrical work and for structures subclassification, you can perform construction, installation, maintenance, and repair of electrical infrastructure for buildings and other structures, not including transmission lines, outside plants, power substations, traffic lighting, highway signs, power plants, and industrial instrumentation and machinery. For this one, you would simply need to pass the statewide exam. The underground electrical conduit installation subclassification allows you to do installation, maintenance, or repair of underground electrical conduits, but it excludes installation of wiring cables within the conduit. For this classification, there is no trade exam. The electrical controls subclassification allows you to perform installation or fabrication of controls for electrical work, instrumentation including HVAC controls, smart house controls, and security alarm panels. This one would require a 50-question exam. It'll be open book, 70% to pass, and you'll get 2.5 hours to take the exam. You'll need to know about the National Electric Code, practical wiring calculation, instrumentation equipment, and calibration equipment. Now when it comes to the requirements, you've got to at least be 18 years of age. You need a valid USA identification. However, foreign passports are accepted. And you'll need a social security number or ITIN number. You'll need to have at least $10,000 in net worth. And you'll need to complete an at-home Louisiana business and law course, which is provided by the state. In addition to that, while it's not required for the electrical license, it is recommended that you have workers' compensation and general liability. This will be at the discretion of whoever you're submitting a bid to when you do have the license. When it comes to fees, there will be an application fee and an examination fee. These will be included together. For the most up-to-date fees, you'll definitely want to check below as fees are constantly changing. We've got the most updated information that you can check out below. And then there will be a renewal fee. Again, that will be below because fees are constantly changing. So for the most up-to-date fees, you can check out below this video. Just want to thank you for watching. I hope you found this information helpful. We've got complete courses that can help you pass every single classification as well as the statewide license. You can check those out in the top right-hand corner or below the video. Again, this is digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.